Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Hey everybody, it's Bob with Make Money Now. Now, I have a really unique strategy to make $500 daily, and it's going to really give you some awesome exposure, and it's also going to help you make a lot of money. All right, if you are into article marketing or writing articles and you want to make money by writing articles, you can make $500 daily. And that's just an example. It's not a guarantee, okay? Because you have to be committed to doing this. You have to focus and you have to work really hard. So it also depends on your commitment and focus, all right? So what I am showing you, the $500, is just, well, as a disclaimer, it's just an example of what is possible. All right, with all that said, let's move on how to make $500 daily. All right, so what we want to do is we want to take articles from here, and this is called ezine articles.com, and we're not going to submit articles to this, but we're going to use articles from this. All right, and they have many different categories such as arts and entertainment, business, computers, technology, gaming, home-based business, internet and business online, etc., etc. You can read all of these. And so what you want to do is select a niche. All right, so let's search an article. All right, and one that comes up a lot is inspiration. A lot of people need to be inspired these days, so let's try it. Let's see what happens when you type in inspiration. All right, look at this. There are 100,000 articles in this alone. So we might have to drill this down a little bit. But let's check out this art. Being inspired in life. Are you an artist or someone with creative skills? You just can't complete your work if you're not inspired. you need to find inspiration to do something to turn out the maximum creative juices, you need to find your inspiration. So let's click on that, see what that's all about. All right, so here's the article. What's really cool is that you can use these however you want. All right, but you have to make them yours, right? I'm just showing you an example of where you can go. But the whole idea, folks, is that, how are you going to make money doing this? Where am I going to get paid? How am I going to get hired? So there are two sites over here for freelancers. One is called Conquer. Let's look at this one first. Conquer is a freelancing website such as Fiverr.com, but Fiverr.com is extremely competitive. Everybody and their mother's on there. Conquer isn't so well known, but people are making money on it. So what you want to do is you go over here where it says make money by promoting and selling services. It's 100% free for you to use as well. So you go ahead and click on that, and then you sign up all of this here, and then you collect 17.5 of whatever you promote as an affiliate commission. All right, so that's pretty cool. But you make extra from your traffic, keep 95% of your sales from people you send to your store, and get 17% of anything else they buy. So that's pretty cool, all right? But anyways, you want to go over there and click that, all right? And then you could set up a gig, just like these people are doing, all right? You want to set up a gig like a Fiverr gig. And so what you want to do is probably set up some examples in your store, basically, and then you can get hired, all right? Another place that you can get hired, and it's probably better, is SEO clerks, okay? And because over here you have content writers, right? Hey, that's you. So why not set up a store over here, right? So when someone buys something from you, but you also, hold on a second, you also have to select a niche that you're really good in, and that there are lots of articles in, right? Remember, 100,000 articles, right? So another thing is that you can set your own price. So that $500 is kind of arbitrary that I mentioned, but it's possible, right? So what you do is you are hired from someone, you go back to ezine articles, you take little bits and pieces of this, you go over to a summarizer or paraphrasing or a rewriter in this case called Quillbot, and it's completely free for you to use. And you put in your bits and pieces of articles. I can only do up to 400 characters, and so it's going to take me time to actually take the article from over here and put it in here. But anyways, what you want to do is paraphrase it. Next thing you want to do is reread the article after it paraphrases it, okay? So for instance, let's just say this is part of the article here, just as an example, so you can see how this works. So you copy that. I'm on a Mac, so it's Command C, and then to paste it for me, it's Command V, all right? And then you hit paraphrase, and so it rewrites it. So Quillbot's paraphrasing tool helps millions of people rewrite and enhance any sentence, paragraph, or article using state-of-the-art AI. So when I rephrased it, Quillbot's paraphrase tool uses cutting-edge AI to assist millions of people rewrite and improve any sentence, paragraph, or article. Now it's a bot, right? So you have to go back and reread it to make sure it makes sense, okay? After you do that, then you have your article that you can sell to the person who was asking for. So if they say, hey, I need something with this subject in it, you can find it by going over to ezine articles. All right, copy something that is of the format that they want, come over to Quillbot, okay, rewrite it, all right, and then you can give it back to the person who was asking for your service. And they'll probably want examples. All right. So what I would suggest is have a file set aside on your computer with many different examples. All right. So I would have like 5 examples of inspiration, 5 examples of finance, 5 examples of this, that, and the other. And the examples don't need to be the entire article, but at least maybe 2 paragraphs. So I hope you got some great information with this, and hopefully it'll get you going and inspired to write and also to make some money now, right? Make $500 right now. Go ahead and sign up right now, and I'll see you in the next video, and best of luck to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.